Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn Query Hub. So today we are going to discuss very important commands which is and or. So basically these two commands is used to filter the data most precisely. So now let's start and let's jump to the. So in my previous video I have already created this customer table. See here you can data preview the table with the help of this. Okay, you need to click it here. So now we have these many data. Suppose if you have suppose if you have requirement to filter the data based on name, customer id, or phone number or city, then how you will do? Because whatever we are doing here, select star from practice dot customer, this is giving the whole data. So here comes into picture where command, which I have already discussed in my previous video. Then we have and command and or command. So let's start how we will use the where condition. So what we will do, select star from table where we will write the field name on which we need to filter the data. So let's suppose we are doing on first name, okay, equal to Ravi. Okay, now we will execute this command and see only Ravi is coming. So this is where condition. So now suppose if you want to filter more on the data, like more precisely. So suppose here if you were having data like two Ravis, okay, Ravi 1 and Ravi 2, but the city is different, one is Mumbai, one is Delhi. So how you will differentiate? So that time and condition will come. So how we will write? So where first name is equal to Ravi and city is equal to Mumbai. Okay, so now we'll see after running this query. See, this is giving Ravi, but what if I will change it to Delhi? Okay, see, Delhi. See, now no data is coming because it is not satisfying the filter condition of first name and city name, because there is no any Ravi in city Delhi. That's why we are not getting any data. But if we will write here Mumbai, so we will get the data. So hope you understand the and condition. Okay, so now or condition. Or condition tells you like either of the condition is satisfied, then it will give the result. Suppose here if we will now give or condition, so what will happen? So if the name is Ravi or the city is Mumbai, if either of these are true, then we will get the data. So let's see. See here Ravi, okay, see here Ravi is coming and or city is Mumbai. So now suppose if we will change it to Delhi, then again the data should come for Delhi. See why? Because here we have applied or condition. So this way you can filter the data more precisely based on the different fields. Here if you want to add one more and condition, suppose if you want to add one more or, now customer id is equal to 3. So what will happen? If either of these three conditions satisfy, we will get the data. Okay, let's see first condition is also satisfied, Delhi condition is also satisfied, and customer id is also satisfied. Same way we are getting the data. Now same way you can put and as well, and so here see, if we will run, this will not give you any data. Why? Because for Ravi, okay, their city is Mumbai and customer ID is 1. See, if all three conditions satisfy, then only we will get the result. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.